After staying longer than planned in Broome, we get back on the road and start our journey towards the Gibb. We stop along the way to relax at Telegraph Pools, an awesome free camp with spots right on the riverbank. We see plenty of crocs, make a poor effort to catch a barra, and enjoy slowing down by the fire before exploring Derby and heading for the unknown of the Gibb River Road. I don't know what that was. Who would have thought we ever left Broome?
Yeah, finally. Not that Broome's a bad place, but
No.
we spent, 3 weeks there instead of maybe just under the 2 that we'd planned or whatever. We had a lot of life admin things going on. We had to reinsure the car, it's a long story for another day, and then had to get rid of Queenie.
Yeah, she's gone.
Yeah.
So, what are we today? 15th of June. We sold Queenie day before yesterday. Yesterday, yeah. So we'd actually put her up for a couple of weeks and just really didn't have much luck, and then got a message from someone yesterday morning, came that afternoon and took it. So we were going to leave earlier in the week, and Matt kind of put his foot down and said, I don't really want to leave Broome until this tinny sold. It's just going to be a bit of a headache for the Gibb and Northern Territory, and we just weren't really that attached to it. So we did love her while we had her, we just didn't really get to use it very much with the weather.
No.
But she's gone, and we've officially gotten out of Broome, so we're headed to a camp called Old Langies, which is at Telegraph Pools. One of my high school mates, Connor, actually mentioned it to us. Apparently you can fish for barra there, which I didn't even know you could do around here. We'll give it a whirl, and a couple we had met, Katie and Ross, had also just stayed here on their way back from the Gibb, and they really liked it as well. So we're going to go check it out, head into Derby tomorrow, and then off for the Gibb finally. So stay tuned. What do you reckon?
I like. How quiet is it?
Not till we came, not till I came. Like, wow!
plan changed.
Not mad though.
Definitely not upset.
Just don't have plans. That's the best plan.
Yeah. So we rocked up about 4:30 by the time we pulled into camp, you said.
Mm-hmm.
And
didn't catch any barramundi.
Yeah, we're still barreless, but I almost feel like don't even need to mention it.
Did finally see a crocodile.
Yeah. So this morning we've been watching just freshies, sunbaking and cruising around, but this spot's just too good to be an overnighter, basically.
Yeah, it's free as well, and it's just, there's quite a lot of people here actually, but you sort of each got your own spot, so it feels like we're almost the only ones here. Yeah,
we can barely see the person next to us, and the weather, I mean, there was a tiny bit of light wind this morning, but nothing that was an issue.
This.
Yeah,
so this is stunning.
It's the lunch view, and we're up on a nice cliff, so Shay doesn't have to worry about any freshies touching her legs.
That's what she's worried about.
No, it's been good. We've both been able to exercise.
Went for a run.
Yeah, speak to some family and that sort of thing. Yeah, we're just taking a nice, easy
start to the Gibb.
Start to the Gibb, yeah.
Vibes on vibes.
Yeah.
Yeah, go on. Could have caught it.
Good morning.
Morning. Coffee time.
Derby today. Leave here. Go and see what we can find. But good stay.
Yeah, this was really nice. Aside from the party happening to the left last night.
Yeah, it's a Friday night, or was a Friday night, yeah.
So serene on Thursday night, like, could hear anything. And then, last night the music was blasted and screaming.
Not that we have an issue with partying or anything
so
like
fun.
that.
I was vibing to the music personally, but
yeah,
I think there was some unhappy people a little bit further down that told them to pack it in.
But when you're however many sites away and it's still like loud for you. Anyway.
At least it was good music.
Yeah.
Would have been worse if it was bad.
We'll get going, stock on a few things that we used here and hit the Gibb today.
Woohoo.
Excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am, praying for minimal bugs and crocodiles and lots of adventure.
Yeah. And Barra. And or fish, any fish.
Any fish.
Edible fish.
Any yummy fish.
Catfish can stick it, but anyway, I got to go and check the milk because I might be boiling it over. So. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
In our next video, we finally start the Gibb. We get lucky and find a good camp in the dark, then spend our first day exploring a cave with more crocs, rock art, and a creek to swim through in the dark. On day 2, we start the corrugations, water crossings and gorges. It's good to be back in the Kimberley. Catch you then.